Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here to show you my Range Rover V8 3.6 Vogue. I'll take you around the outside of the car first, then I'm going to take you inside. So, a couple of marks there. Lacquer's gone off there with jet wash. It's 3 owners from new, 139,000 miles. I think it's 13 or 14 major services. The last service was, the bill was £1,800. It's also had a brand new screen fitted, so all works as correct. The money that's been thrown at the car is tremendous over the last few years. It's got the upgraded alloys on it, side skirts on it, side vents on it. It's got the privacy glass on it. All the tyres are in absolute super condition. Just MOT before Christmas. And as I said, it's had all the rear sills, which are normally is a weak point on them, have all been done. Everything works on the car, and I mean everything. It has a brand new tow bar on it. It's just been fitted, so the swan neck is brand new. That's the second hand part, but the swan neck is new. It's never done any towing, would you believe? Again, the tyres are there in super condition, and all the work that's been done under there and on the bottom sill. Got some slight marks there, I don't know if you can see them. But again, nothing absolutely crazy. I love the upgrades, I love the colour, the larger wheels and the side skirts, the bars. I mean, it's just all stuff like this. Is just thrown so much money at it. There was a slight coat there, I think that will come out. So there you have it. What I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car. See you in a second. Hi, so I'm back now. So what I'm going to do is going to take you inside the car, starting with the engine bay. So here's the bonnet. All present and correct. It's just had £1,800 spent on it a few months ago. Take you inside the car now. So again, these normally wear, don't they? All is good there. All your standard features: electric windows, door mirrors, folding, memory seats. You've got your factory mats, lovely to see. 2 keys, that I think will come up. The bolsters are there, absolutely as they should be. Steering wheel's all good. Or your cruise control, multi-function steering wheel. Satnav has had a new antenna on it and works perfectly. So all the standard faults that normally go on them, look at that. You've got your sunroof, headlining is all in absolutely super condition. You've got your, yeah, all the rest of it there. So, with the door card, it's absolutely super colour contrast. I love it, I really do love it. Again, factory mats in the back. All the seats are just absolutely impeccable condition. The seats all as it should be there. Now, this has all been changed and replated. It's all like brand new. This was done a few months ago at a cost of about £1,400 from memory. So that is all brand new metal and as it should be. Taking in the boot, again, all the carpets and everything else as they should be. Going down there, both sides were done. Common fault on them, they always go. The water holds there over years and just makes it rusty. That's there. These marks will just come out with some cleaner. Dashboard is in excellent condition. All that's in excellent condition. 3 owners from new, 139,000 miles. We've got 13 or 14 stamps with it, 2 keys, just super. If you need any further information on the car, please give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to hear from you soon.